Good afternoon, Porsche fans and Taycan fans in particular. Today I'm looking at the installation of the new Porsche Tequipment roof rack for the Taycan. I have no idea if it's very similar to the designs of the other models because I haven't really owned any of those. But this particular car, the Taycan, comes with a glass roof in North America. And so this is very cleverly designed to fit on. So I'll show you the process of putting it on. It's very easy to put on and take off. And I've got our Thule canoe carrier here on it now, but of course you can put whatever you like, a box, cargo box, or maybe your kayaks or what have you up here. All right, let's get started. Now your Porsche rack system comes with a nice Porsche storage bag here, Porsche branded storage bag here. Obviously you can fit those things in. Also inside the bag you will find spare keys in a little pocket. Where is it? It's on the other side here. There it is. You'll find some spare keys in case you lose one. Keep those for later. Also you will find this tool. Nice solid tool, good hand grip, and it comes with two different sizes of drivers for the two different bolts that you're going to have. There's the large one and the adapter for the smaller one. Set those aside for later use. Now the racks themselves come with a front and rear sizing on them. So this is the rear. You can't tell really by looking at it. The dimensions are a little bit different, and they actually have a marking on the bottom. They have a label on the bottom that shows you where they go. I've got these Thule canoe rack adapters on here. These are for our canoe, but of course you can put whatever you like on this bar, whether it's like just a storage box or maybe a kayak thing, or maybe just put your surfboards on there or something like that, whatever you like. Anyway, these are reasonably hefty. They probably weigh about, I don't know, maybe 15 or 20 pounds, something like that. And they can hold up to about 160 pounds on the top of the car. Most important thing to note is that because of the design of the feet, these have cast feet on them, they do not touch any finished part of the car. So specifically, they fit into the designated area on the roof. And I will show you that right now. So right here is your mount. You just open up the flap and you can expose the fitting. So there you have it. The bolt's going to go in there and the feet are going to go in there. So nothing touches the finished surface. You do not want to obviously have any pressure on the glass roof and so on. I have heard of glass roofs cracking on other cars, but we've had the canoe on a few times here. No problems, but of course that's because the actual weight is being borne underneath as it's designed to do. Alright, so now it's time to mount the racks on the car. I'm going to do the back one first, and then I'll show you exactly how the thing works when I put the front one on. Now once you've got one side in, this is really a two-person process, by the way, so I've had my invisible assistant Ferdinand helping me out here. Anyways, once you got one side in, you just sit the other one in, and there's a bolt hole. Obviously you have to flip up. We've already flipped up these covers, protective covers. So once you've set in one side here, you're going to find the bolt hole for the next one. You're going to set it in place. Obviously this is still loose here up top. Those two bolts are still loose, and then we're going to tighten this bolt to start with. Always tighten the main posts first and then the top posts. So let's do that one. It doesn't take very long, it's pretty easy. Just snug, not too tight. Put the rubber down, and then we'll go over to the other side. Excellent. Now your plastic cover can go on. We're just going to put that on. Put the plastic cover on thusly. Here's our little key. And we're now locked in place. Comes with several keys, and each one of these has a lock on it, which is nice. You don't have to remember to bring the lock, it's always there. That's pretty much it. Just do up the other side and we're good to go. Ready for some fun in the sun, out on the waves, whatever you're gonna do. Surfboards, blah, blah, blah. With your Taycan. Obviously the process to remove them is the same, it's just in reverse. Same kind of thing. Whoops, we're gonna go down that way. We get to the bolts again. That's it, she's all clean and ready to go. Now it's all done, we're all ready to go. It's time to go out and have a drive in the Taycan. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you enjoyed the channel. Please do subscribe, like, and put the bell icon on for more videos when they come out. Have a great day.